This is how you're going to cancel a Shein order after payment. So step 1 is you're going to open your Shein app or the Shein website at ph.shein.com. And then from here, you're going to log in and then tap on your profile at the top right of your screen. And then from here, you're going to click on My Orders. Now, step 2 is you're going to select the order. Find the order that you want to cancel and then you're going to tap on it. So for example, this is the order that we want to cancel and then we're going to tap on it. Now, after that, if the order is still processing, you can tap on cancel order and then confirm the cancellation. Now, if the order has been canceled, refunds are processed to your original payment method and it may take 3 to 15 days depending on your bank or payment provider. Note that if your order is already shipped, you can't cancel it. Instead, you have to wait for delivery and request a return. However, some shops may not allow a return, so make sure that you check their store policy first. And that's it. That is how you're going to cancel Shein order after payment. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.